Here are your kites.
जल्दी से मुंह धो लो, फिर मुंह साफ करके चाय भी पीनी है।
Pump it faster! Woohoo! Yay! We got it!
निन भर डालने दे। हाँ?
These yellow grains look very fresh. I think I will take a kilo of these.
They are the best quality we have right now.
Don't worry, children. The umbrella is big enough for all of us.
Look at the puddles, Dad.
Here are your kites. Now go and have fun.
Wow, thank you. They are beautiful.
Mine is going the highest.
No, look at mine! It's almost touching the clouds!
Watch out, I'm gonna cut you. Run faster, I think I can beat you. No, wait for me.
The fire feels good tonight.
Yes, the evenings are getting cooler now.
Soon it will be time for the harvest festival.
Here, please take these. Oh, thank you very much. That is very kind of you. Try this one. It's perfectly crispy.
It is delicious.
The best I've had.
I love the chutney, Mother.